First, open Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. To analyze images, start by uploading the image you want Gemini to examine using the available image upload option. Make sure the image is clear and contains the information you want to analyze. Next, add the image to your prompt and clearly explain what you want Gemini to identify or understand. For example, you can ask Gemini to describe the image, identify objects, read visible text, analyze a chart, explain a diagram, or answer questions about specific parts of the image. Be as specific as possible with your instructions. Instead of simply asking, "What is this?" you could ask Gemini to identify the main objects, describe their positions, and explain what is happening in the image. Now submit the prompt and wait for Gemini to analyze the image. Review the response carefully and compare it with the original image. If you need more information, ask follow-up questions. For example, you can ask Gemini to focus on a specific object, extract visible text, explain a chart, or compare different parts of the image. If the image contains a table or structured information, you can ask Gemini to extract the data into a clear format. You can also request structured output when you need the information for another application or workflow. For images containing text, make sure the text is clear and readable. If Gemini makes a mistake, provide a clearer image or ask it to recheck the specific area. Remember that AI image analysis can sometimes produce incorrect interpretations, so verify important information against the original image. Finally, use the analyzed information in your next workflow, such as creating a summary, generating a report, extracting